Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, all of you that love swingers, I've got a 1971 Dodge Dart swinger for you right here. It's been rotisserie restored, completely rebuilt mechanics. This is a sweetheart of a car for not a lot of money. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can get the price, read all the specs, see about 100 pictures of this car. And not only this one, but there's a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first notified as new ones come out. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin with this swinger. We have pictures of this car down to a shell. I mean, no interior, no trim, no wheels, no motor, no driveline, just a shell of a body, completely restored. The body is in excellent shape. It's Sassygrass green, and the fit is excellent. It all fits nice and flush. It's smooth and straight. Look at these gaps. Probably better than it was when it left the Mopar factory. It's all clean metal and straight. Look how nice it all fits. It was a local award-winning painter that painted the car. It's got a new vinyl top on it. Original glass is typical. It's got some light scratches, but it's good. Pioneer 6x9 speakers in there. The stainless trim, got a little dimple here and there, but overall it's straight and shiny. Got the Bumblebee stripe. They did paint the bumpers in argent silver color. 15-inch poverty, or 15-inch rims with the poverty hubcaps. They're in excellent shape. BFGoodrich tires, obviously. This side's just as nice as the other side. Look at these gaps. There's no bubbles, no cracks. I haven't found any flaws in the body. I always like to say maybe I missed one. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I don't see anything. The doors fit real nice. They shut real nice. Nice. The pillars are nice. Windshield's original. A couple faint wiper marks. It's got the blacked out hood treatment. These are functional scoops. They're opened up into the engine compartment. The bumper and grille was all painted in the argent gray color. Underneath the car, I told you it was a rotisserie restored. They did the whole bottom. It's all clean metal. The frame rails, the floor pans, all looks really good. And then they prepped it and they sprayed it with a bed liner. So it's got a real nice, durable finish under there. You look up at the motor, it still looks fresh. The 727 was rebuilt by Bell's Automatic. It's got custom drive shaft, all new U-joints, yokes, that's all new. 8 3/4 rear end in the back with a 355 gear. That's been rebuilt. New axles in the back. The fuel system looked new. The exhaust system looks new. The entire front end was rebuilt. The steering box, all the steering components were rebuilt. It has disc brakes in front. Trunk compartment is rock solid. They did put a new trunk floor. They didn't just put patches in. It's a new trunk floor. Looks really good. It's all clean metal. The original service manuals, original valve covers are included. The jam under the trunk lid, painted real nice. New weather strip. Looks like there's some extra touch-up paint in there as well. The seats were reupholstered. Headliner's new. It's got the cushion grip steering wheel. That looks new. Modern stereo. It's got a mini tachometer. It's got a gauge cluster down below. The car was rewired front to back. $1,000 wiring harness. It's all new wire harness throughout. He put a 360 motor in here. Rebuilt. Also by a professional. The guy who rebuilt the engine was inducted into the Illinois Stock Car Hall of Fame, so he knows what he's doing. A mild performance cam. It's a cruiser. You'll hear it in a minute. It sounds nice, but it's a cruiser. Does have headers. Got an aluminum intake with a dual feed Holley carb. Really nice Mopar valve covers. Alternator looks new. power steering. It's got an aluminum radiator with a fan mounted to the engine, and it has a big giant electric fan in front of the radiator. Door panels are nice. There's like a little nick here, so they're not brand new, but they're real nice. Carpet does look new. It's got seat belts. Let me fire it up for you. The guy that restored the car is the person we acquired it from. He's put about 5,000 miles on it. This is a turnkey car. The bugs have been worked out. It's all sorted out. This is a car you just get in and drive and enjoy, yet it's nice enough to go to car shows. You can do anything you want with this car. Seat cushion's nice and firm. The instrument panel's all real nice. I mean, that sounds good. Very snappy, responsive. Weather strips are nice. Door jambs are painted real nice. Air cleaner's restored. Has a new pie tin on the top. Trunk light works. Everything fits nice, closes nice. So there you have it, a real nice car, and again, very affordable. Visit volocars.com. That's probably the best way to get in contact with us. All our information is there. Be happy to help you with questions about the car, the process, delivery, financing. We can help with all of that. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.